Is social media really the new cigarette? And that's the question of two courtroom showdowns which are dragging Meta platforms. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. This week, Meta found itself fighting on two legal fronts. In New Mexico, the state's attorney general accused Meta of enabling child exploitation and hooking young users with addictive features. Meanwhile, in Los Angeles, a woman is suing for Instagram's design ruining her mental health, and Meta is fighting back. Instagram boss Adam Mosseri argued that social media isn't exactly addictive and compared it to binging a show on Netflix. Company lawyer Kevin Huff doubled down and said that social media addiction isn't a thing because it's not listed in the DSM, the official handbook for mental disorders published by the American Psychiatric Association. But the APA stroked back and said just because it's not formally classified doesn't mean the problem doesn't exist. And experts agreed. Researchers say that absence of a DSM label doesn't mean that heavy social media use isn't causing sleep problems, emotional distress, and disturbing school or work. The debate isn't whether everyone's addicted, but whether certain users are vulnerable to it. Meta's also prepping up for lawsuits from 41 state attorneys general and a major trial involving school districts later this year. Jurors in New Mexico have already heard from whistleblowers, including former employee Arturo Bejar, who claims the company has failed to prioritize safety. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is expected to testify next week. The trials will show Meta's extensive internal documents, including details about the company's own research into the mental health impacts of its platform on young people. Whether they win this debate or not, what's your take? Tell us in the comments. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any updates.